Hi guys, to retrieve your voice memos from your iPhone, you just make sure that your iPhone is properly plugged in your PC. You just need to click this icon to see your iPhone information. When you want to retrieve the voice memos from iPhone to your PC, you have to check this one, check this, and also this one. Make sure that it is checked, include voice memos, click sync. All the memos you have will become to your voice memos. I've already downloaded this memo, but I have another updates in my iPhone also, but that is not in here. The best practice is always sync before you transfer your memos. So just click here and save this parameter and click sync. Syncing done, and click voice memos. My latest updates of all my voice memos are included here. Just click music, and what's your iPhone name? iPhone name is black. Click black. I need to transfer these memos to my PC desktop, so drag it from here to here, also like this one, here to here. These are my 2 voice memos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like to get updated about upcoming videos.